So this is my 1969 sailboat I purchased in Tulsa off Craigslist for 700 bucks. I originally bought it for the trailer. I thought it was a pretty good deal for a 2-axle trailer. But once I got it to the house, I decided it'd make a pretty nice fishing boat. So the things I've done to it already is I took out all the built-in bench seating to make the boat more maneuverable while trying to fish and walk around. I also took out some of the bench seating in here to make it more of an open space to walk around in. Took off the top, the original cabin roof thing. I took it off so that I could have a place that I could actually stand up in, and windows wide enough to fish out of in the winter time, so I can keep it warm in here and still be fishing comfortably inside. I have a cover for this that's strong enough to walk on. I have it off right now. I just got it all cleaned up, getting ready to fiberglass and paint. But you can cover it up, remove it. You got lots of storage area here for all sorts of stuff, plus access to my batteries, which I keep charged with a 27 horse Briggs & Stratton lawnmower engine. It has a 16 amp charge auxiliary, 4 auxiliaries that I use to charge my batteries, plus a 100-watt solar panel. The keel has been removed from the sailboat to make it more functional as a fishing, cruising, like day cruiser boat. I have this motor attached to a 50 horsepower Mercury. Wanted to build a roof that I can actually climb onto, and the kids can climb up and jump off and do flips, whatever, go swimming in the lake. Plan on trying to fiberglass and paint this today, and fiberglassing all the way down the side, on both sides, all the way around, to watertight the cab area. Alright, that's it for now. I'll update another video soon after I get it painted and get it finished fiberglassed and painted and getting it ready to go out on the lake this spring, in the summertime. Thanks for watching. Bye.